There's a magazine under your bed full of faceless bodies. There's a magazine under your bed. I've heard it said it won't hurt nobody. There's a fantasy inside your head of bodies being defiled. There's a fantasy inside your head. Your conscience is dead, your mind is running wild. You're just a pawn in the game, checkmate again. You can't unsee what you've seen. You're bent by the fire, a safety desire, knocked out by the Black Queen. There's a video up on your screen of beauty being perverted. There's a video up on your screen. You know it's unclean, but it's too late, you're converted. You're just a pawn in the game, checkmate again. You can't unsee what you've seen. You're bent by the fire, a safety desire, knocked out by the Black Queen. Everything that glitters is not gold. Don't believe the lies that you've been told. Love cannot be found inside a centerfold. Everything that glitters is not gold.